Hi, um, welcome everyone to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will be talking about the basic things you need to know when it comes to forex trading. So basically, forex for beginners or forex trading for beginners. So if you have a lot of questions, or if you don't know anything about forex trading and you would like to start from somewhere, you are in the right place. So kindly click on the subscribe button and the notification, so when we drop our next video, you'll be the first to know about it. Thank you once again. Alright, so someone will ask, what exactly is forex trading, or what is this whole forex trading thing about? Now, let me give a little illustration or an example. It basically has to do with buying and selling, knowing when to buy what and when to sell what, and when not to buy what and when not to sell what. Okay, but your actions are meant to be guided. Now, another thing you want to also know about forex trading is some form of investment. That's how I see it anyway. Or my opinion is that it is some form of investment to which you are solely responsible. Whether you lose your money or not, or whether you make profit or not, is entirely up to you. That is, if you're trading your own money yourself. Okay, now before anything else, in order to start trading or whatever it is, you need a broker and a trading platform or a trading account. Now, the brokers are like the banking institutions. They hold or process your money for you even before it is even moved into a trading account. Okay, so kindly keep that in mind. Now, there are lots of forex brokers out there. You just need to search and find whichever one you want to identify with. So you could just search and find whichever one you want to identify with, but let's just narrow it down. I would narrow it down to my broker, or the broker that I use, which is Deriv. And then just a little disclaimer: Deriv is only available to people in Asia, Europe, and Africa. If you are in America, you do not have access to Deriv, or you cannot create an account. If you create an account, they would close it out. So kindly take note. If you're in America, just go on Google and just search for brokers within your region. Okay, now if you want to use this, if you want to use Deriv, kindly look at the description section below and you find a link to be able to create an account using my link. Okay, now let's see how we can create an account. So now we found, let's just assume we found our broker. Okay, we found our broker and we need to create an account. So create free demo account. then so you enter your email, or you can sign up with Google, Facebook, or Apple ID, whichever one that suits you. So you enter and then you go through the verification. So because of time, I'm just going to skip that. Just follow the prompt. Right, it's pretty easy. Now we already have an account, so we will log in to the account. Okay, so let's go ahead and log in into our newly created account. Okay, so okay, now we're in. Now, like I said, you need a broker and you need a trading account. These are two different things, so kindly take note. So now we have an account with a broker. Okay, so when you create it, just make sure you explore all the features that it has. I wouldn't go into it because of time, but you could just play around it, and you need to verify your account at some point as well. The broker would let you know when you need to verify your account anyway. So if you're using the computer, this is how you need to. So we need to create a trading account. Okay, so over here you have real and you have demo. What it means is the demo is just like a dummy account which has money in it. It's just dummy money, it's not real money, and you can actually use that to learn. So I would also advise that you create a demo account first, use that to learn before you start trading real money. Okay, please do that. Okay, so now let's see how to create a trading account, a demo. It's the same procedure for the real account, so just take note. Okay, so we have our demo right here. So we have two types. We have the synthetic and then we have the financial. I'm gonna make a video explaining what the synthetics are and then the financials are. So just look at the description section and just find the link to that so you can understand more. Okay, now so if you want to create the synthetics, you want to create a financial, all you just got to do is add. So let's create a financial. So you add, and then it's gonna ask you to create a password for the trading account. Mind you, this password is different from the account you have with your broker. Okay, the previous account we just created, it's different. So you just have to create a password. So create a password. Then okay, so there it is. Now you have your trading account. Okay, so here it is. Now this is your trading, this is your username and your password. Yeah, you can find the account at any time. Okay, so now you have to go to your MetaTrader account and log in using these details. Right, now I have a video on how to use the MetaTrader app on both the iOS and the Android device, so kindly look for the link down there and just watch the video. Okay, so now we have all we need. Right, now I'm only going to teach you how to trade, so when you watch the video you know how to take basic trades. Okay, now there are certain things that you need as a trader. You need, so I'm just going to highlight them shortly. Never and ever trade when you don't know what you're doing. Okay, make sure you have learned the basics and you understand. If you don't understand, you can ask questions. You can ask anybody who knows what they're about. You can get in touch with us, by going to our website and use the chat section. So it's just tradercirclegh.com, and then you can chat with us. You can use the chat, the messenger on the website, or you can just contact us via WhatsApp or Telegram down there. Okay, so you could use any of the channel to reach out to us to ask questions about anything at all. Okay, and then we also have courses, so just explore our website and get the tools that you need. Okay, so now we have our trading account. We have an account with a broker. Now, as someone who is new to trading, like I said, use the demo to practice. So when you watch the video on how to use the MetaTrader app, then you know how to place basic trades. Okay, you know how to place basic trades. We offer a free signal service, so you can join our groups and get free signals and use that to learn how to trade. Okay, use that to learn how to trade. So forex trading is really not something that maybe is scary or whatever, but like I said, you need to know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, that is when you start losing money. And make sure that as a trader, never and ever trade with emotions, and never focus on the money, never focus on the profit you want to make. Focus on understanding the foundations. Focus on being a better trader. Okay, I will do subsequent videos on the various types of traders that you can be and how you can select and all those things, but that will be later on. Okay, but this is just an introduction to people who have no idea about forex trading and have some basic questions. Okay, so I think we're gonna end here, and if you have any questions, look for the appropriate link. If you don't find any, you can reach out to us using any of the channels we have on our website, and yeah, we would be happy to assist you. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button. Thank you.